Kindly assemble at the back of the...
This is a dream come true. I'm in Fiji, the paradise island. Today it is the 5th of August. It has been 23 days since I left Sweden for my around the world tour. And today I'm going to a day tour out to the islands outside of the main Fiji island here. And I will do some snorkeling and also do a village visit. So it's going to be a really nice day. So here we are on the sailing boat. We changed the boat from the motorboat to the sailing boat here on the Mana Island, and we are on our way to the Mondriki Island, right? It is the place where the movie Castaway was filmed. So this here is the Mondriki Island where the movie Castaway was filmed, with Tom Hanks as the star of the movie. Just look how beautiful it is. So in the sand there, it says "Help me" on the sand, so I think maybe the Robinson Crusoe or Tom Hanks is still there. I will show you. The water looks really clear from above here. It is like 7 to 8 meters down to the bottom, and it looks really clear. And there we have the Castaway Islands, and some of the passengers are swimming to the island, and I think I will do the same. Swim from the boat here to the island. So I just swam to the Mondriki Island from the boat, and let's go for a short exploration walk. It is absolutely magnificent water around here. It is crystal clear. The movie Castaway was filmed here, and if you look up on the cliff there, and it is where Tom Hanks went up in the movie Call for Help. And just look at how beautiful this is. This is the paradise, man. Unbelievable. It has been a really nice time here before lunch. So soon we are going back to the boat and have lunch, and then we are going to visit a village, a Fijian village. So now that we've done the Tom Hanks Island, it's time for lunch. It's a mixed grill with sausage, chicken kebab, and Spanish mackerel. Look at it. Looks really delicious. The village we are going to visit is that one. Bula! Bula Bula! And here in the village, it's not polite to wear a hat.
Yes.
Right? So we have to take it off. No hat.
No hat.
It's a quite modern village, I must say. They have solar panels here also. This is the community hall of the village, and it is where all the village people meet and do stuff together. And we were just told here that the chief's house is the tallest house here in the village, and it's about 300 people here in the village, and they have schools and everything here. And this is the big square here of the village. So cannibalism were common here in Fiji, but that was 80 years ago. Bula! This is the village school, and look at the view that children will get. It's an amazing view. Alright, so we are in Nadi. This is not the capital city of Fiji. That is Suva, which is 3 hours drive east from here. But this is Nadi. It is the second largest city here in Fiji, and it is the gateway for tourism in Fiji. And most of the tourists, they land here in Nadi. And this is the main street of Nadi. It is a small town, you know, and there's just one main road here in the city, and we are going to the end of this street where we have this wonderful Hindu temple. Here we have the Hindu temple here in Nadi, and before you can go inside, you have to read the temple dress code here, which means that you have to be politely dressed to be able to get in. This is inside the Hindu temple area, and the area is not quite big, but the temple itself is really nice. It's got nice paintings and nice sculptures around, and if you go inside the temple, which you're not allowed to film, you can see that there are very nice paintings on the ceiling of the temple also. And people are coming here to worship the Hindu gods. And I think here in Fiji there's a large large population of Hindu people here in Fiji. Within the temple area there are different smaller buildings where people can do the different Hindu ceremonies. Let me show you the main temple building. It's really nice. Just look at the colorful patterns and sculptures. And here behind me we have the temple vegetarian restaurant, and let's see what they have in the menu. Okay. Can I have well, it's 4 pieces, right? 1 bara and 1 samosa, please. Yeah, I just got in the order here, and what we have here is the small pieces of bara, and the big one here is the samosa. Let's try. It's good. This is the bara. Like being in India. Indian taste. Well, that was really nice to eat Indian food here in Fiji. They are like several thousand miles apart, India and Fiji, and it's an amazing feeling that you can have a real Indian food here in Fiji. And that's all from Nadi town. There's not much else to see besides this Hindu temple here in Nadi. And, the taxi tour here, don't forget the mission. We'll be moving on to Thailand towards my nephew. Bula. I am here at the Club Fiji Resort, and this is where I'm staying during my holiday here in Fiji. And it is my 4th day here, and every morning I wake up to these beautiful bird songs. Just listen. I can hear at least 10 different kinds of birds here, and it's really nice to wake up to these bird songs.